Please welcome to the stage Nicole Tran.
Trời ơi bạn đi một tuần tao không gặp mày mà bụng mày vẫn thù lù. Please feel free to sing along if you know the words. Em from Vietnam. Please excuse me the way I speak. There are some letters in the English language that I cannot pronounce. I could tell you which one they are, but I cannot pronounce them. But sometimes language barriers can be to my advantage. One time my boss says he likes hair that's curly. I thought he says I could go home early. She told me, you need to pay attention. I thought she said, you need a paid vacation. My car is a Hyundai Accent. When people hear me speak, they ask me, hey, where's the accent from? I say, a used car lot in San Jose. Last week, an American guy asked me, are you nuts? I say, why? Are you allergic? When I first learned English, I start with simple phrases like, how do you do? Or, I'm happy to meet you. Or, not tonight, I have a headache. I won a beauty contest for girls who speak bad English. I'm now the brand new 2025 Miss Pronounce. At college, they told me I need student loan. I thought they would loan me a student to help me with my homework. They asked me, what kind of loan you want? I said, give me a blue-eyed white guy. When I first arrived in California, I studied Aikido, Judo, and in San Francisco, sourdough. Sometimes people cannot understand my name over the phone. My name is Tran. Spell it for me, please. Sure. T lại Chiwasaki. R là Roshiko. A lại Lasima. And N lại Nancy. When I got my citizenship, one of the questions was, where is the Mason-Dixon line? And I say, it got to be somewhere between Mason and Dixon. I grew up in a town called Bà Chiểu. I understand now in my hometown, they have a big Apple store. They also sell bananas and kumquat. They don't sell iPhone 10. They sell big fat hand. I remember my first swimming lesson. My father threw me into the Mekong River. I ended up in the Philippines. When I was a kid, we played ding dong ditch. We did not have doorbell. We just ditched our friend ding dong. We had a flying goldfish. One time he flew out his ball and right into a frying pan. It was a good trick, but he only did it once. My cousin Bing Bing snores. She snores like this. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. It can be annoying and scary, especially when she's driving. Back in my country, Bing Bing was the life of the party, the Communist Party. Bing Bing always dreamed of winning a lottery so she can go back to Vietnam, buy our entire village and raise the rent. Everybody wants to know about my cousin Bing Bing last name. My cousin Bing Bing last name is Bing. But she never used it because Bing, bing, bing sounds like a slot machine. Now Bing Bing wants to marry the president of the Philippines, Bongbong Marcos. The wedding night is gonna be bing bong, bing bong, bing bing bong bong. In Vietnamese culture, family member fight. My cousin Bing Bing hasn't talked to my mother for 5 years, but if you ever hear my cousin Bing Bing voice, the silent treatment is a blessing. I pay my mother to do my daily chores. For $25, she does my laundry. For $15, she cleans my room. I pay her $10 an hour to surf the internet for blue-eyed white guys. My mother doesn't believe in psychic reading, but she's happy to tell me that I have no future. She put a gigantic rearview mirror in our family room. That way, me and my sisters appear much closer than we actually are. She raised chicken in the yard. She even gives them names. She got Crispy, she got Kung Pao, and she got Popeyes. I just love you. My little sister, Vicky, always carry a lot of cash with her in her purse. Just in case the house burned down, she still can afford some chicken wings and a few karaoke nights. She doesn't want her boyfriend to propose to her with a wedding ring and said she wants unlimited Uber Eats account and a Peloton. Vicky just got her eyebrow tattoo. That guy did it too high. Now she looks surprised all the time. She says, this guy charged me too much for this tattoo. I say, surprise. I have an Indian friend, Sanjili. Sanjili is really into swing dancing. I say, swing dancing? I should be good at it because I spent the first 19 years of my life sleeping in a hammock. We go out eat a lot. My favorite Indian dish is goat curry. I love it, but Sanjili says it tastes bad. Sanjili says in India they have their own version of the dating games. It's called Connect the Dots. I'm allergic to alcohol. I took one sip of tequila. I sneezed for 10 minutes. In Spanish. My doctor told me that I did not have diabetes. I say, sweet. And then he told me I need to exercise. I say, sweat. To maintain good health, I eat right, I never smoke, and I avoid driving at night with Bing Bing. That's good. I moved to LA. Now I live in Koreatown. That's the only neighborhood where you see an Uber driver on a scooter. In my neighborhood, there's a dog that barks all night long. Boy, in Koreatown, that dog's really asking for it. There's a Burger King right next to Weight Watcher. In both places, you're going to see a Whopper. I got the best $5 fish taco near my place. If I make $30 doing comedy, I go get 6 fish taco. I got a big gig coming up in Las Vegas. It pays 160 fish taco. Some restaurants specialize in fondue. People love fondue. I fondant. For real. I like to visit Chinatown. Chinese people are very organized. They always have all their ducks in a row. I went to LA Zoo to get a leopard print bikini, but they only have my size in rhino. In Hollywood, there's a skinny girl at every corner. They don't eat. They skip breakfast. They skip lunch. They skip dinner. Then they skip to the drug dealer. Then they skip back to the corner. In Beverly Hills, there's a very popular restaurant called Burger Factory. Right next to it, a Burlington Coat Factory. Everybody that worked there ate at Cheesecake Factory. So great to see factory jobs returning to America. That's a very good joke. I like to look for celebrities in Hollywood. I saw a sign in front of the hairdresser that said, "Walk-ins, welcome." Then I waited there for Christopher, but Christopher never walk-ins. Many intersections have cameras. What an expensive way to get a selfie. I got a selfie in the mail, $479. In LA, I always got stuck on the 405 freeway really bad. I know why they call it 405. Because you may be on it for 4 or 5 hours. The LA court called me and said, "Hey Nicole, it's time to come in for jury duty." And I say, "Dạ ông ơi, tôi bận rộn lắm, tôi không thể nào đi được, hoãn lại tuần sau hứa sẽ tới liền đó ông ơi, nhớ đó." He says, "Okay, never mind." I love kombucha. The first time I saw it, I asked the bartender, "What's that?" He said, "Kombucha." I said, "Gazunai." I got weird neighbors, man. My neighbor on the right mow his lawn at 5 a.m. He has a OCD, PTSD. Yesterday he told me he has a PSD. But I think he took too much LSD. My neighbor on the left never pick up his apples. I can smell them fermenting. Now the squirrels are getting drunk. I had to call LA Animal Control to set up squirrel DUI checkpoint. And now I see a lot of squirrels in handcuffs. I have a porcelain wind chime, sound like classical music. My neighbor behind me has a metal wind chime. King, bing, bong, king. It sounds like roll call back in my high school. I love getting to know my new neighbors. But eventually, they closed the curtain. Across the street from me, 7 big fat white guys live in one house. They party all the time. They got 11 cars, but only 6 tires. In Asian cultures, we take up the shoes at the front door. My white neighbor take up the tires of their cars and leave them on their lawn. Those guys don't cut their grass, but I can smell them smoking it. They got 5 mattresses on the front lawn. That's the trampoline for rednecks. Look at this. This is a $10 dress and a $75 spank. For you. Some women I know shop at Forever 21. I cannot fit into anything of that store. I'm waiting for them to come out with almost 42. I like to wear floppy hats because they match the rest of me. I wear loose blouse to cover my muffin top, but nothing I can do to cover my muffin bottom. Dress made with polyester make me not only curvy, but flammable. Bing Bing loves to wear long black boots, but she's short, so she look like Asian pirate. But she very color coordinated. Her purse always matched with her iPad. Now Bing Bing wants to get liposuction, but she found it much cheaper in Mexico. But it's located in a piñata factory. Basically, I think they just take the baseball bat and knock the sugar out of you. When I go to the hairdresser, I say make me look like famous pop star like Katy Perry, Taylor Swift, and this haircut is Paul McCartney. When I walk into a black comedy club, all the sisters look at me like, uh-oh, somebody forgot to pay the bills at the nail salon. Black comedians use the N-word a lot. N-word this, N-word that, N-word please. I never use the N-word unless I'm watching the NBA and got money on it. I went on a road gig with a comedian. He told me he has Asperger's syndrome. I said, no problem. Let me pull over and get your ass a burger. I know nothing about drinking. I was at a bar getting to go on. I heard a guy talking to the bartender. Give me a screwdriver. I thought maybe he was sitting on the loose chair. I did a comedy show for women in recovery. I murdered that crowd. I hope they recover. I kill a lot. I murder so much. One day you will see me on America Most Wanted. Tonight we're looking for Nicole Tran. She 5'2" with Paul McCartney haircut. I could not get along with my first therapist. I had to go see a second therapist just to talk about the first therapist. She said sometimes change is good. I say I don't like change. I only accept 50s and 100s. And we all. She told me, you're always in denial. I said, no, I'm not. She mentioned that eating fast food may cause infertility. I don't use birth control. I just eat a Big Mac. I went to a Shopaholic Anonymous meeting. It's not because I have a problem. I want to find out where the good sales are. I have a recurring nightmare. I finally dated a blue-eyed white guy. Turned out he works for immigration. Now, Bing Bing wants to quit smoking with nicotine patch. I say, hey, for best result, put that patch over your mouth. I don't like stereotype about Asian people drive. But how about the way they run, man? I saw 30 Japanese tourists running to the airport. And I thought Godzilla were coming, so I started running too. I always forget stuff on the roof of my car and drive away. One time I forgot Bing Bing. She would have been killed if she wasn't wearing a magnetic bra. Man, hear me. Orange traffic cones are not only lightweight, but sturdy. I know because I run over a lot of them. I have about 15 of them in my garage. Your tax money at work. My old car sucks. I took it to a Make-A-Wish Foundation. They took one look and said, "We wish you wouldn't." Car insurance in Vietnam is very expensive, so most drivers don't have one. So everybody just hit and run. Unless that guy wants to argue, then you hit and punch. I saw a big sticker on the back of the car, a pit bull wearing a baseball cap. That's silly because everybody knows a pit bull looks much better with a do-rag. He has a second sticker that says, "I love NASCAR racing." And I'm thinking, why he driving 52 miles an hour in the fast lane? A truck driver cut me off and crashed into another car. On the back of his truck that say, "How's my driving?" The question is, why are you driving? I got caught at a sobriety checkpoint. The cop says, "Have you been drinking?" I said, "No." He says, "Are you smoking?" I said, "I'm wearing a brand new mini skirt. Why don't I get out and you tell me?" My car is sponsored by PF Chang. They wrapped it with a plastic sticker. Now I'm driving a 1996 X-Rose. I just got a parking ticket. Now it looks like a fortune cookie. I open 5 checking accounts. If one bounce, I use another one. If that one bounce, I bounce again. Eventually, I'm bouncing more than Dolly Parton on the trampoline. I like to watch basketball. I love Stephen Curry. But I love chicken curry even more. Chicken curry is delicious and never get injured. Somebody stole my identity. They did not know I was wanted by immigration. Only blue-eyed white guys can help me. That poor guy ended up slopping pigs in Phnom Penh. When I go to Las Vegas, I don't gamble. I just eat the buffet. If I really want to gamble, I eat at Taco Bell. I ate at the restaurant that specializes in falafel. I tried one, they were right. I felt awful. In Nevada, there's a town named Hidden Valley. I couldn't find it. In Vegas, they have a restaurant called Fat Tuesday. They also have Obese Wednesday, Anorexia Thursday, and Fish on Friday. I drink some water. I work in Austin, Texas. I rented Motel 6. Back in the day, they call it Motel 6 because it cost only $6 to stay. Now they call it Motel 6 because there are always 6 widows hanging out in the hallway. Waiting for me to tell jokes. When I was driving, I thought somebody lost a Gucci handbag. I pulled over. Turned out it's an armadillo that did not make it. He got it from the south. My Texas brother. My auntie Vu moved to San Antonio. She got Alzheimer's. Now she cannot even remember the Alamo. She said, forget the Alamo. Give me pie Alamo. They don't call shoe repair shop in Austin. They call shoes hospital. I'm sure they save a lot of soul. After the show, some blue-eyed cowboys asked me, hey, can I buy you a drink? I say, no thank you, I don't drink, but I love an appetizer. Buffalo wing to go! Okay, Bing Bing say firemen are hot. I say, sure they hot, they work around fire. You know who's hotter? The guy working the grill at In-N-Out Burger. Bing Bing should have been charged with a misdemeanor. The longer she goes without a mister, the meaner she gets. Bing Bing is only 5 feet tall, but she knows a hairdresser who can make her look 5'8". Bing Bing wants a man so bad, she got a job at the candy store. Sure, there are a lot of sugar daddy there. I told her to marry a New York Italian. She would be Bada Bing Bing. Now Bing Bing wants to sue me because I talk about her all the time in my act. So I make a deal. I give her 25 cents for every Bing Bing joke. That's $6.25 up now. I'm not interested in good-looking men. I'm only interested in the one I can get. A guy asked me to go skydiving. I said, forget it, man. I like dumpster diving better. So we go skydiving. I got lucky. I landed in the dumpster. That's how I found his lovely shoes missing diamond. 10 years ago, I went to a fortune teller. She told me by 2025, I would be happily married with 3 children. So tomorrow, I go get my money back. I put a lot of makeup on before the show, just in case a blue-eyed white guy wants to marry me. Or take me to the burrito truck. I settle down for burrito. My mother doesn't want me to date any man. She wishes I was a nun. That's exactly how many boyfriends I have. None. I'm stylish, man. I wear Easter hat in the spring, sundress in the summer, and I never dated a white guy after Labor Day. I like white guys with blue eyes, but he must have 2 of them. That's why I never date an Australian Shepherd. Bing Bing is currently dating a single dad with 14 children. I said, wow, what part of Mexico does he come from? That's $6.50 for Bing Bing. I only dated one Asian guy. He has body like a god, Buddha. Now I want to meet a man with a Tesla. So every Friday night, I put on tight dress and hang out at the electric vehicle charging station. I have an inspirational message right next to my vanity mirror. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Now if I can only find the beholder. My favorite dog is a golden retriever. I throw a ball, he brings it back. I throw a stick, he brings it back. I throw out my boyfriend, he bury him in the yard. I love music from the 1980s. Even to this day, I still answer the phone like this. Hello, is it me you looking for? And he says, no. Where's your cousin, Bing Bing? And by the way, I don't have a green car, so please do not tell anybody that you saw me here tonight. Thank you very much for coming to support the show. And I flew all the way from West Hollywood, so I put merch for sale. If you buy Bing Bing t-shirt and you wear on back, you get Bang Bang. And I have different color for different blue and light blue, red and everything. And I have back and order the hoodie. You meet me in the front. Thank you so much for your support. Love, Looney. Love.
One more time, Nicole Tran. Let her know. Very funny.